Hello everyone again and welcome. For those of you following me, you must have noticed I posted a video yesterday looking at the installation of Python, which is the IDE that we are going to be using throughout this course. For today's lesson, we are going to be looking at comments and variables. What are comments? Comments are just like a section of any programming language that is used to explain that code, maybe what you are trying to do. So we have two types of comments. We have single and multi-line comments. Single line comments, we can always use like the number symbol to add that section of to any code that we are writing. Let's say, for example, we were to print hello world, we can just put at the top of that program that, oh, this is my first programming language, just for someone to know what is happening. For multi comment, we can use triple quote, to put multiple sentences just to explain that code. So the next thing we'll be looking at is variables. Variables, as we know, are just like containers for storing data. For those that have done a lot of courses in computer science, I would just say it's just like a section in memory that is being used to store data. So the way we declare variables, it should always be be in a way that you can assign a value to it. Let's take, for example, if instead of printing hello world as we did, just do print hello world, we can say message is equal to hello world and then print message. Another thing we can do is we can just say number is equal to 42 and then print number. Pi, as most of us have done in mathematics, we know the value of pi. So we will see most of these things as we go on, because we'll be declaring variables, assigning values to it, and then performing certain operations. That is why it is very, very important to understand what variables are. So the way we name, there's a naming convention for variables. Always use meaningful names. You can start with a letter or an underscore followed by letters, digits, or underscores. Note should be taken that variable naming conventions, they are very case sensitive. You should always note that, take that into consideration, because if you use you here as username is equals to Alice, you have to keep this username you as a lowercase. If you put it as uppercase and you are trying to access Alice, you won't be able to get to Alice. So always be mindful that most of these naming conventions are very case sensitive. Thank you so much. This is the end of this video. I will keep making just short videos. Tomorrow we will be looking at mathematical operations. So please keep following me for more of these tips. Thank you so much.